Hello, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee Beauty. So I did that massive unboxing of all the Boxycharms, and later on that same day, this one came in. So we have one more Boxycharm to open. I'm assuming this is July regular, like maybe the base box that came in a little bit late. So here we go. Yeah, status quo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll tell you a little bit about the items in here. The first thing that I'm seeing is the Eloise Beauty Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. This is $22 and it looks really nice. There we go. So the handles are really pretty, aren't they? Really beautiful. I'm not sure I'm going to use them. I might give them as a gift because it's time to start thinking about Christmas gifts for the kids. So, and I have my daughter and my daughter-in-law. That would probably, both of them would probably like that. All right, so that's $22. Then we got something here by Kinder Beauty or Kinder Beauty, Kind Bronze. Look at how cute this packaging is. That's absolutely adorable. This is creamy, ultra soft formula, formulated with a blend of nutrient-rich, plant-based butters to condition the skin, a natural buildable bronzing powder that gives a perfect sun-kissed effect. $19. So it said it was creamy, but then so I thought it was a cream, but it's a powder. Looks a little dark. It's Blissful Bronze. It's probably fine because when you buff it out on the skin, it's gonna just give you a bronzed look, which is what you want. So I think that will be fine. I love a good bronzer. Never tried this brand ever before, so we'll take a look at that. So that's $19. The other thing was $22. Then what is this? Tresse Loose Liquid Lip Tint. Okay, so bold Atravita liquid lip tint. It says, take on the day with a bold burst of color, formulated, where am I? With hyaluronic acid and glycerin that hydrates and moisturizes lip. Plant-derived oils make this lip tint ultra comfortable, delivering a cooling sensation and a dewy finish. So I don't think the color is gonna match today. Daring. And I already have a lipstick on from Pat McGrath, but I'm gonna swatch it. Looks like a color I will like. Here it is. Yeah, definitely looks like something I'm gonna enjoy. Oh, and it's kind of sheer, so it is just like it says. It's like a lip tint. You can see it's got color to it right here, but it's still, you can still see through it. So that'll be pretty for fall, real pretty for fall. And how much was this? $18 for this one. Then we got something by Juice Beauty. I like Juice Beauty. I actually had and I let my mom use it, like an exfoliating spray, and it's all natural, and it just like, you sprayed it and all the dead skin just peeled up on your face, and you just got like a nice natural exfoliation. This is a stem cellular anti-wrinkle retinol overnight serum. That's probably expensive. Let's see. Clean vegan 2.5% bioretinol and retinol serum with breakthrough scientific technology encapsulating the vitamin in evening primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help keep your skin looking and acting youthful while you sleep. The serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated, and it's $72. This is something I'm 100% going to use. I do have a retinol that I use, that I've been using during the morning time, but I don't have one at nighttime. So this will be my nighttime one. And I like Juice Beauty. I don't like all of their products. I like their skincare. So that's really cool looking. It looks like, yeah, you just like press it down right there. Very cool. $72. And then there's one more item in here. Phase Zero. This is probably an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. The Necessities eyeshadow palette. 8 universal matte shadows are incredibly buildable. They deliver smooth, highly blendable color designed to create a soft blended look, and this is $40. I don't think I've ever tried Phase Zero eyeshadow. Have you, or anything from them? I don't think. I don't know. Okay, well, first off, I can't open it. There we go. Ooh, I thought these were going to be all matte, but they're not. We'll do a couple little swatches. Those are some of the shimmers. My pinky never swatches good. There's some of the shimmers. So they're very light. Let's look at a couple. The mattes. Okay, all right. We'll see. We'll see. So there is the palette itself. We'll have to do some playing around with that. I'm sure I'll do a look and let you know when I've used it so you can see what the look comes out with. But it looks like it'd be a great everyday palette, like something very simple to take on a vacation. So, and that was $40. So all in all, not a bad Boxycharm. Well, would I have bought this stuff? Probably not. I mean, I'm probably most excited. Well, I'm excited to try everything. I mean, I'm excited to try the bronzer, the lip tint, the Juice Beauty, the Phase one, and then the Phase Zero, and then this I think I'm going to give as a Christmas gift or a stocking stuffer. So, not bad. I'm not upset with this box at all. I'll put the total value up here for you, and I will put my Boxycharm link if you want to try out Boxycharm or resubscribe to Boxycharm. Sometimes you can get a free gift for doing so, or you'll get like dollars that you can spend in the store. So Boxycharms or something. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video showing you what we got in Boxycharm, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.